Okay, so I'm gonna go through, it's just a one chord solo, but there's a lot of meat and potatoes in this solo, as with mostly all of Wes's solos. The kicker for this solo primarily are the sweeps and the hammer-ons. So if you aren't accustomed to playing hammer-ons or sweeps, I would tell you that it's probably gonna take you a little bit longer to digest the solo. But if you aren't new to it, then it shouldn't be that bad. It shouldn't be that hard for you to grasp. So once again, this is how I finger it. So if you have any alternate fingerings or whatever that work for you, I would suggest if you find the fingerings that I'm using to be difficult or not making much sense to you, then I would encourage you to use your better judgment that works for you as a guitarist. Because over the time I've been playing, this is what works best for me. And but I would caution you not to get caught up on the fingerings as much as the notes and the feel of how Wes is approaching the melody and the solo. So here we go. Starts off like this, and I'll try to go slow and talk about how Wes was approaching it as we go along. So here we go. This is a double time part. Sweet. I'm gonna stop right there and go back over that part. So the double time, this is probably the trickiest part of this solo, where he plays in double time. So it's going back over F. Play that lick again. And that's really hip. You can take that one through the keys. Play it up. Over 2/5. You can play it over 2/5. So that's essentially what he's playing off of the Dorian. So, I mean, all of this stuff, of course, for application, I would encourage you to, explore. Like after you get the solo, take some of these licks from Wes and just take them through the keys. Take it through all the keys. But anyway, getting back to the solo. Sweep. That one is. Then. Now we're on the bridge. So doing that slow, he's sweeping right here. It's all one motion though. So to practice that slow, And that's the whole solo.